Hi guys, this is Asif Mahmood. We are starting online tutoring over here. So I'm mathematics teacher since 20 years. First option is 7 is lower than 8. 7 is lower than 8. It is correct or not?
Not correct.
No, it is correct. 7 is less than 8. 7 is lower than 8. Okay. Now B. 8 is lower than 9. This is also correct. 9 is lower than 7. This is not correct. Okay?
Okay.
B.
अब यार दूसरा बनाए ना वो वाला नंबर्स वाला 81 5 2 पता नहीं क्या 81 प्लस 81 और फिर वो 81 के बाद 81 फिर 81 की स्पेलिंग लिखी और फिर बस वो वाला बनाए.
Yeah, after that every day lesson is changed. Okay, so which one is not correct? 15 is higher than 14. 15 is bigger or 14?
15.
So this is
correct A 15.
No, A is correct, but they are asking not correct. 14 is higher than 16. This is correct. 14 is higher than 16. This is correct. Okay, now next one. Yes, this one. I will support in this if you will not get. Which one is not correct? 7 is greater than 7. 5 is greater than 7. Yes, this one. Right?
5
is greater than 7. Not correct. Right? This is not correct. 5 is greater than 7. This is not correct. Okay.
Done.
Next one. Which one is not correct? 15 is less than 17. It's correct. 15 is less than 16. It's correct. 16 is less than 18. It's correct. 18 is less than 15. It's not correct. Yes, this one. Yes, next one. See this one. 100 is higher than 99. Hello. Hello. Which one is not correct? 100 is higher than 99. 100 is higher than
99 correct है. नहीं 99 correct नहीं है 100 correct है.
100 is higher than 99. It is correct. Okay. We are finding non-correct. Okay. We are finding not correct. 96 is higher than 99. Yes, this is
99.
correct. This is not correct. We are finding reverse case. Yes, not correct. 89 is greater than 86. Yes. 86 is greater than 84. Okay. 85 is this is. Okay. This is not correct. Which one is not correct? 87 is 92 is lower than 92. It's correct. 88 is lower than 91. Correct. 89 is lower than 87. 89 is lower. This is not correct. Right? My all answers are going correct. You are not participating. Not correct. Now see, 79 is higher than 84. Yes, this is not correct. Okay. Only 2 remaining here. Hello. Where are you? 96 is less than. Okay, 96 is less than 100.
आप क्या मुझे देख रहे हैं?
Yes, you are on the side. But you can see screen. 96 is less than. Tell me answer. 96 is less than 100.
दूसरा बनाए ना.
Okay.
81 वाला 81 की spelling.
Okay, this is last page and then I will teach. 95 is less than 99. Okay.
99.
97. 94 is less than. Yeah, this C is. Oh, D. 100 is. Oh yeah, 94 is less. 100 is less than 98. Oh my God! Due to your hurry,
हो गया हो.
the last page.
नहीं आप सही है.
See, the result will come. The quiz result will come. Then it will be fine. Due to you, you made my one question wrong. Because of your hurry, I did one wrong. One mistake I did. 67 is greater than 71. Yes, not correct.
71.
Yeah, this is your result. See, you did one mistake. 99.
एक ही mistake आई है ना, कोई ज़्यादा नहीं है.
No.
5 mistake आ गई.
No, only one mistake. Yes, use the first 2 20. This one. Do you like this? Ah, yeah, pictorial you like.
ये वाली नहीं, ये वाला नहीं, ये वाला नहीं.
Let's see, I will help you. So see, which animal is the first position?
There.
Huh? Which animal has the first position? First position is on from left.
Elephant. Elephant.
Oh, elephant. Who is elephant at your home? Anybody is elephant at your home?
No, ना पास आ जाता है, किसके घर में elephant होता है?
Who is elephant at your home? Anybody elephant in your family?
हाँ मेरे पास है.
Where? Okay, see, the B is answer is correct. A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? Tell me. B.
B.
Okay. Well done. Now, tell in which position the horse. Tell me in which position the horse. Tell me the position of horse.
Horse.
Count.
अब बता. यहाँ पे तो 7.
Count from left side. Count from left side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. So which answer is correct? Fifth. This
B.
fifth. Yes, correct. Now next. Yes. Astaghfirullah. Don't see the name. Don't call out the name, but tell me the answer. Hello. Yes, tell me the answer of this question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh. Okay, this one. Which animal at the fourth position? Oh my God! This is your Eid al-Azha animal. You will bring this animal on this Eid. उसको हटा देते हैं, लेकिन तुम ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो बताओ. विच एनिमल ऑन द फोर्थ पोजीशन, वो जो अभी आप लेकर आओगे.
मुझे काऊ पसंद है तो मैं कह रही हूँ द काऊ.
ओके, सो द काऊ. ओके. Yes. Oh my God! What a question is this? See this question. 12 runners. 12 runners. Read the question. 12 runners are nearing to the end of race. So in which place the race is Ken now? In which place the race Ken? Ken की position बताओ कौन सी है Ken? Ken. K-E-N. Ken. Read the question.
हाँ.
This is
in which
place.
Person.
Yeah.
In the run.
Yeah.
Is. लिखा है.
In which place is the race is Ken now? In which place in the race Ken? K-E-N. Ken. Where is K-E-N? K-E-N is where? Ken. Your friend Ken. Where is Ken? K-E-N. Ken. Now count. Count the Ken position from the beginning.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. अब 10 पे 10.
Okay. So shall I click 10th? Well done. You are right. You are genius. Oh, now this one. In which position? Oh, who is on the fourth position? Tell me. Which person on the fourth position? Name. Yeah, name of a person.
Name on a person. उसका नाम क्या है?
उसका नाम क्या लिखा हुआ है fourth position पे जो है? Who is on the fourth position?
L-E-W.
Liu. So which answer is correct?
Which answer is correct? Liu.
Yeah, pink shirt. Liu. Okay. Now this one again. Which position the lion? Where is lion? Which position? Which position on lion?
3.
No, that is cheetah.
अब lion है ही नहीं.
है lion. Check करो.
1, 4 5 6 6 Abadan 6
Loin is very... Loin do not eat food, so it's become thin. So sixth position, huh? 6.
Abadan C.
Yeah, done. Now next. Yes, this one. Which animal is in the 10th position?
10.
Yes, 10.
1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 Abadan A bear. Abadan मैं 2 मिनट पानी पी के आ रही हूँ. Bear है Abadan bear.
Bear is not bear. It's not bear. From this 10th position. Okay. So these are the 10 animals. The last is bear. So your answer is A. You are correct. You genius girl.
Abadan आपको 18 वाला करें 18.
Only 2 questions remaining. Every day the lesson is not same. Every day lessons are changed. Don't say that I want to read to study that one. That has already gone. Now read this question. Read this question.
कौन सा?
This one.
In which place in the running is B-E-N? Bean.
Yeah, Ben. Where is
Now.
Ben? Where is Ben now? Where is Ben now?
Banna.
Where is Ben?
Oh, banna.
In which place in the race Ben now? A, B, C, D. Read and check where is Ben and click that one. Tell me very quickly. Where is Ben? B-E-N. Ben position.
Abadan, इसमें एक भी नहीं लिखा Ben.
Ben is written. It's blue. Ben. B-E-N. Ben. See this.
B-E-N Ben.
Yeah. See
Yellow,
this.
yellow, yellow.
So which position? Count from left side and tell me answer.
A, B, C, D, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Abadan, ऐसा मुझे 5 नंबर पसंद है तो मैं ऐसा करती हूँ B5.
My God.
सही है ना?
Okay. Read this question.
पुपाई नहीं पुपाई नहीं है.
Yes. This.
कार्टून का नाम है. हाँ. कार्टून के बच्चे नहीं खाते होता पालक खाते इतना सारा. Which animal
Is in the second position. Shukar, it's not you. It's crocodile.
मगरमच्छ. मगरमच्छ.
Which answer is correct? This is not magarmach. This is what? Then tell me the answer. A, B, C, D.
वाला बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि शेर से ना कैच आती है.
Crocodile. Okay. Yes. Oh, your result came. You have done 100%. Great. Your work is awesome.
देखो आपको तो ऐसा कुछ पढ़ना भी नहीं आता. मुझे सब आता है.
Okay. The next one.
अब दूसरा भी करा ले. सुई लगा के रखा है इतने आसान को.
हटा रहा हूँ जरा. आपके दे रहा हूँ. Okay.
क्या?
So the next lesson is, let's see the next number collection to 10. You will count the number up to 10. Okay. Now this one. How many green dots are there? Okay. Next. How many triangles are there? Read the question.
ट्रायंगल मतलब
Triangle. Triangle means, which is triangle in this? Triangle means 3 corners. This is triangle.
कितने ट्रायंगल्स हैं?
How many triangles?
अब्बाजान मुझे 3 नंबर पसंद है तो मैं 3 कह रही हूँ. पता नहीं आंसर क्या होगा. 3 कह रही हूँ.
Okay, this one. How many blue dots are there?
ब्लू डॉट्स.
Yes.
हाँ अब्बाजान मुझे 2 नंबर भी पसंद है तो मैं कहूँगी कि B और 2.
Okay. This one. Yes. Read the question.
How many stars are there?
Okay.
There are stars. अब यार मुझे ना बताओ, मैंने आपको बताया था ना 2 नंबर पसंद है, इसलिए मैं ना 2 कह रही हूँ.
You like to. That's why. Okay. Very amazing. Okay. How many squares? Sometimes you like 2, sometimes you like 3, sometimes you like 1. Now, which one you like? Tell me. Hello.
हेलो.
Yes.
बात करनी है आपसे.
Which one is correct?
Which one is correct?
Yeah.
क्या किसमें?
Read the question. Read this question.
यार मुझे 1, मैंने आपको बताया था ना मुझे 1 नंबर पसंद है तो मैं इस 1 नंबर को करती हूँ स्क्वायर को. नहीं.
Okay. This one. Now see what is the figure you need to search. Which figure you will search in this? Read.
मैंने कहा ना मुझे स्क्वायर पसंद है.
Now here is diamond. Diamond. You know diamond? Diamond shape. How many?
अब यार मुझे 5 नंबर भी पसंद है तो मैं कहती हूँ B.
Okay. Very good. Yes, this one. It's look difficult. Orange.
ऑरेंज कितना है?
Yes, orange.
2 3 4. अब यार मुझे 6 नंबर पसंद है तो मैं कहती हूँ B.
Okay. This one. Diamonds. How many diamonds?
डायमंड्स.
Yes.
डायमंड्स कौन से?
Yeah, diamond again. You did diamond before.
ओ डायमंड. 1 2 3 4. नहीं. 1 2 3 4 5 6.
Diamond.
Yeah.
Yes.
अब यार 7.
7? Are you sure? Yes. Wrong. It was B. You did wrong. You didn't count last 8. Okay, let's see. I will help you. There is 1 and 2, 3, then 4, and then 5, 6, and then this is 7, and in this row is 8, right?
मेरे परसेंटेज क्या आता है?
So
मेरे
8.
मार्क्स क्या आता है?
You did one wrong.
उस
Okay.
दिन के भी 100 आउट ऑफ 100 और पता नहीं क्या 90 90. उस दिन के पूरे मुझे मिला के देगा.
Okay. Okay, purple. Tell me purple. How many purple?
पर्पल.
Yes.
अब यार मुझे 3 नंबर पसंद है तो 9.
9 पसंद है आपको? Okay. Correct. Okay, this one. Last, I think. How many red dots? How many red dots? Cannot you read question? You become old woman.
How many?
How many year old you are? How old you are?
अब मैंने पहले बताया था ना, मुझे 5
पसंद है.
5 पसंद है. सी.
How old you are? Tell me.
मैं कितने?
Yeah.
बताए मतलब?
How old you are?
मतलब?
What is your age?
शायद तो मैं कितनी पुरानी हो गई हूँ. क्यों पुरानी?
Old means.
पुरानी नहीं है.
I mean, what is your age? How old you are? Your age.
मैं
Very funny.
8 साल की हूँ.
8 or 7?
8.
No, not 8. 7 you are.
क्या हो गया?
Yes. 8.
और आप हैं 2 साल के बच्चे. बस.
Okay, which one is correct answer? 5. Oh my god. So your result is one answer is wrong due to you. You did one answer. Diamond, you count diamond wrong. 8.
मुझे मिला के दे मुझे.
Yeah, after the end of lesson, I will count all.
उस दिन के 100 out of 100, 90, वो सारे मिला के दे.
Okay, I will give you. Skip count by 10. By 10. You will skip now, okay? So what will be the next number? If you see 13, 20.
इसका मतलब क्या होता है?
Skip one means एक छोड़ के एक. Next number in this
एक
equation.
छोड़ के एक.
Yes. If first one is 13, right? Next is 23. And next is 33. What will be the next?
35.
No. Not 35. 35 is even not in answers.
क्या?
So see, if we add 10 in this, we get 23. If we add 10, 33. If you add 10 more, what you will get?
अबजन 43.
Yes, you are right now. 43. If you are adding 10, 10. Okay. Now read this question, please.
आइए अबजन इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन आप सुना दें.
Okay. If you had 10 balloons, okay? You have how many balloons? Yeah, okay. You have 10 balloons and your friend is Talal, right? You gave 10. A friend gave you 10 more. He give you 10 more. Talal give you 10 more. How many you will have now?
20.
Yeah.
20.
Okay. After that, read the next part. Then another friend give you 10 more. Then Talha is also give you 10 more. Now how many balloons you will have? 30. So this is your answer, right? Well done. So you will have 30. You take the 10 balloon from both. Okay, this one. If Jill started with 9 books and add 10 books and after every 2 days, right? So if
Many books.
yeah, 9 books and he added 10 books after every 2 days. हर 2 दिन के बाद वो 10 books आपको देगा तलाल. So how many books did she end up with?
पहले तलाल ने मुझे 9 books दी.
Yeah, yes. You started with 9 books. Added 10
उसके बाद दी उसने मुझे 10 books.
Yeah. फिर 2 दिन के बाद 10 book और
एक मिनट.
Yeah. He will give you till 2 days.
19 हुई मेरे पास अब बता 19.
19. Another 10 books he will give you. He will give you 10 more.
अब बता नहीं. 2 days.
2 days.
How many books?
Yeah, after 2 days, how many? 2 days. He will give you every day 10 books, right? So first you have 9. He give you 10, so you have 19. Again he give you 10. Then now how much you will have?
उसने मुझे 10 दी।
या 19 के बाद फिर 10 दे दी उसने। हाँ, उसके बाद फिर 10 और दे दी।
तो हुई मेरे पास 19।
10 more.
$30.
29.
31.
No,
31.
No. After, see, 9, then 10 is 19, and then 10 is 29. Right?
ठीक है।
Let me try this. Okay, see this. The first day you have 19. You started with 9. The first day you reach on 19. The second day you reach on 29. Okay? The next one. 37. He will give. I will tell him on WhatsApp. He will give you. Okay? Now tell me 37. If you have 37 to 47 you reach. Now 47 to 57 you reach. Now where you will reach? Tell me which number will come. First number is 37, second 47, then 57. Now what will come? 10 difference. See, this is 37, 47, 57. Okay, 37, 47, 57. Now, tell me.
67.
Yes, you are the genius. Really, you are genius. Every time 10, you are adding. You are genius of sequence. So your future is bright in the sequence, in O-level topic. Okay, this one. The Sally started.
फिर मुझे 100 out of 100 के मार्क्स, उसके पहले मुझे 100 out of 100 आए थे, 99 आए थे, उसके पूरे वो वाले मार्क्स, और आज के पूरे मार्क्स मुझे देगा।
मैं इसकी मार्कशीट बना के भेजूंगा। अगर आप ये देखें, ये वाले सही कर लें, बस ये वाले 10 तक सही कर लो, फिर मार्कशीट आ जाएगी। ओके, दिस वन, इससे सैली सर्टिफिकेट भेजूंगा। सैली स्टार्टेड विद 10 सेंट। आपके पास 10 सेंट है, ठीक है? 10 मतलब सेंट मीन पैसे के इक्वल होता है ना। 100 पैसा $1 होता है, तो इसी 100 सेंट $1 होता है। जैसे हमारा 100 पैसा $1 रुपया होता है ना, जैसे 100 सेंट $1 होता है। सो 30 सेंट मीन 30 पैसा या 30 रुपीस। और 10 मोर देन एवरी डे। अगर 10 उसने बढ़ा दिया, तलहा ने आपको 10 दिया, आपके पास कितने हैं? 30 हैं। He give you 10 more. How much it will be now?
40.
Yeah, 40 day until she had 70 altogether. He will give you more. How many days he will give you more? So your amount will be 70 altogether. आपका 70 अमाउंट कितने दिन में होगा? अगर वो डेली आपको 10 दे, 10 रुपीज डेली दे, तो when you will get 70? In how many days you will have 70? कितने दिन के बाद आपके पास 70 हो जाएंगे? अगर वो आपको रोजाना 10 दे, आपके पास 30 से स्टार्ट किया आपने, ठीक है? टुडे यू हैव 30। डेली वो तलहा आपको $10 देता है, सॉरी 10 रुपीज देता है, सही है? तो कितने दिन के पास आप कितने दिन के बाद आपके पास 70 हो जाएंगे? आर यू गेटिंग माय क्वेश्चन?
20 अब्बाजान,
आपके पास 30 हैं अभी, सही है?
4 दिन के बाद हो जाएंगे।
वल्लाह, आर यू श्योर? यू आर बिग कैलकुलेटर ऑफ मनी, वल्लाह। वल्लाह लाजिम। तो पहले दिन के बाद आपके पास पैसों की कैलकुलेशन किसी बच्चे से करवा लो, बस फौरन कर देगा। पहले दिन के बाद 40, देन सेकंड डे 50, देन थर्ड डे 60, एंड देन फोर्थ डे 70। यू आर a big genius in calculation of money. Okay, if you have 5 marble, right? How many marble you have? 5. If
मार्बल मोते से
yeah, marble. You play with marble. That is very good marble. Glass marble. If you have 5 marble or any 5 toys, okay? If you have 5 toys, Talal give you 10 more. How many it will be now?
Yeah?
If you have 5 toys, Talal give you 5 more toys. How many you have now?
मेरे पास 5 toys है. तलाल मुझे
10
toys देगा.
Yeah. So how many total?
1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. अब ना मेरे पास तो पूरे 15 toys हो जाएंगे, पर तलाल ने मुझे कोई toy नहीं दिया.
Okay. Now another friend will give you 10 more. Talha will also give you 10 more. So now
And you too toys.
how
toy
many?
दिया नहीं.
Okay, ठीक है. मैं कल उससे कहूँगा दे देगा. तो 10 देगा, 10 तलहा देगा और 10 तलाल देगा. अब कितने हो जाएंगे?
बट मेरे पास 20 हो जाएंगे.
No, you have 5 already. You have 5
5?
already. So they will give you 10, 10. So how much the total you will have?
Abadan 20.
No, 10 and 10, 20. They will give you 20. But you already have 5. You already have 5. So total will be how many? 5 plus 10 plus 10.
5 plus 10 plus 10.
Yes. 5 plus 10 plus 10.
कितना मुश्किल है ना? एक मिनट. अब मैं गिन रही हूँ. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. लिखे. हाँ लिखे.
5.
अब ये कैसे गलत सलत लिख रहा है? आपको लिखना नहीं आता?
No. I am not writing on the board. So 5 is, this is you already have. This is Talal give you and this Talha give you. So total will be how much?
एक मिनट करने दे. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 15. अब जान 5 और 10 तो 15 हो गए मेरे पास. चला देगा.
Okay. Yes, Talha will give you 10, Talal will give you 10 also. So the total will be what? So total will be how much Fatma will have total?
हाँ मेरे पास कितने है? अब कुछ करेगा मत. 1 2 3 15. 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. अब ना मेरे पास हो जाएंगे 25 खिलौने.
Okay, so 25 you will have this one. See, correct. Well done. Next question. Okay, now tell me what is that?
आपने लेजर से मिटाया है?
Yes. So 55, 65, 75. Tell me. 55, 65, 75. Then what is the next?
अब बजाओ, मुझे 85 नंबर पसंद है बहुत, तो मैं कहूँगी 85.
So you like 85? That's why you click this. Okay, this one now.
हाँ guys. 40 आगे
You
पूरा
start.
पढ़े ना?
Yeah, you
क्यों
start.
करवाएं?
You have 40 chocolate. Okay.
हाँ, मेरे पास 40 चॉकलेट है.
So 40 chocolate you have. Then Talal will give you 10, right? And every day he will give you till 3 days. How many chocolates after 3 days? First day he will give you 10. Next day he will give you 10. Another day he will give you 10. You have you started with 40. So you have 40. Right now you have 40. Right? And then first day.
जीरो कितने से बना रहे हैं? जीरो कितने
First
से बना रहे
day
हैं?
he give you. First day he give you 10, right? Next day he will give you 10 more, right? Till 3 days he will give you 10. So 3 times you will add 10. Yeah, this is third day. Saturday, Sunday, Monday he give you chocolate. This is he give you. This is day number 1.
40.
Yeah.
41.
No, 40, 10, 10. You add 10, 10 directly like elder kids, not like younger one. Just add quickly. 40 plus 10 is?
70.
Yeah, so you reach on 70. So which answer is correct? Till 3 days.
अब बजाय मुझे ना बता 70 पसंद भी है और मुझे ए पसंद है क्योंकि ए से मेरे भाई का नाम आता है और ए से तो मेरा नाम भी आता है, आखिर में भी ये आता है FTIA में और पहले भी है तो FA.
Oh my god. Okay, this one now. 67 and 78, 88, and then now 68, 78, 88. Now
98.
Wallah, how quickly you can tell me? Are you something else? You are human or some computer? There is computer is fitted in your mind. Okay, Patrick's
क्या आप मुझे कंप्यूटर पढ़ा रहे हैं?
No, you are computer. Your mind is working computer like computer. Okay, Patrick's started with 3 apples. Okay, you started with 3 apples. How many apples you have?
पढ़ा क्यों रहे? ये कौन सी पढ़ा रहे हैं? मैथ्स, लैंग्वेज, बताए ना, लिटरेचर, बताए कौन सा?
You have 3 apples. Okay, you have how many apples?
3.
3. So Talal give you 10 more. And
मुझे तो 10 दे जा रहा है एपिस
Every week.
एपिस मुझे नहीं पसंद.
So every week, right? He had 43 altogether. Until we have 43 altogether. So जब तक तुम्हारे पास 43 नहीं हो जाते ना, तो वो कितने वीक आपको देगा वो? पहले first right now you have 3 plus.
जीरो तभी इसका बनाएगा.
How much he will give every week? And the total must be, you have to reach till here, 43. You must reach till 43. You must reach till 43. So every week he will give you 10. So till how many weeks he will give you 10, so you reach 43.
40 लिखे हैं यहाँ पे, 40 लिखे हैं, पेंसिल में मैं लिख दूंगी वरना.
Here? No, here weeks. These are the weeks. Every week 10. Every week he will give you 10. This is every week. So how many week? He will give you 10, so you will reach up to 40, right? So how many weeks? 3 weeks, 1 week, 4 weeks, 6 weeks. So your total should be 43. आपको कितने वीक तक वो 10 देगा? हर दफा 10 देगा ना वो. उसको कितने दे? 40 देनी है. For every week वो 10 देगा. कितने वीक होंगे? कितने वीक तक देगा वो? How many weeks he will give you? हाँ कितने वीक देगा, हर वीक वो आपको 10 देगा ना, तो कितने वीक वो आपको देगा कि आपके 43 हो जाए। 3 आपके पास ऑलरेडी हैं, कितने वीक देगा टोटल? कितने? नो 40 इज टोटल ही विल गिव एवरी वीक, ही विल गिव यू। कितनी दफा देगा वो आपको हर वीक? कितनी? 10 कितनी दफा देगा वो आपको? 1 दफा, 2 दफा, 3 दफा या 4 दफा? हाउ मेनी टाइम्स ही विल गिव यू 10 to make 40? How many times he will give you 10 to make 40?
28 दफा।
वो 4 times देगा वो आपको, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 40, right? So 4 times he will give you. Every time he will give you. So he will give you 4, right? 4 times. Because if he give you for 4 times, so you will get the 40 apples. So you will get the 40 apples. So 40 plus 3 is equal to 43, this one, right? So this plus this. Every week he will give you 10. So till 4 weeks he will give you. This is the answer. So this is the answer, right?
आप तो दिखाएं मुझे मेरे मास्क।
No, this is a question. Still one question is remaining. After that I will show you. Yeah, this is now quiz result.
अब कितने क्वेश्चन रहते हैं? कितने
Done,
क्वेश्चन
done.
रहते हैं?
Then your quiz
अब बता
result.
रही गंदगी को होता है, गंदगी को होता है।
Astaghfirullah. Okay. Now see your result is 100%. Okay.
तो 100% से क्या होता है?
100%.
कितने से होता है?
100 marks यार. 100
में से 100 मिले?
Yes, 100% mean 100 out of 100.
100 out of 100, 100 out of 100. अब जब मेरे 400 हो गए, 400.
Yes, not 400. You did some mistake also. I will count those mistakes. So first day you got 93%, and now you got 100%. Now I am calculating the average. 193. I need to calculate your average. Yes. 193 divided by 200. This
कोई
is
भी
the-
नहीं आएगा।
who came?
कहाँ से पानी ले रहा था?
You know your percentage now. How much percentage you got? I will send your percentage to your mom. 193 divided by 200. This is your percentage. 96.5. Your percentage is 96.5. Shall I write here? Then 96.5 your marks. This is your marks. A grade. A star you got.
एक मिनट, 100 out of 100 तो बोल दे।
100, not 100 out of 100. 96 over 100. 96.5. 96.
क्या इतने कम क्यों देने?
So because
अब मेरे आ रहे।
you did some mistake. I erase this. Yes.
100 out of 100 उसके पहले के और उसके बाद के
0.5 over 100. You got this marks. Over.
अब जान लो कि मैं पानी लेके आ रही हूँ, पता नहीं कौन ले गया।